Look what I just got. Check this out. This shit is heavy. Got some coilovers from Miata. So these are BC Racing coilovers. These cost me around 200. eBay special. I guess we're gonna see how the eBay coilovers handle. Probably more interesting to see how they handle than some high-end coilovers, right? Exactly. That's the only reason I bought cheap stuff. The current ones, front right, shot itself. So, well, might as well get some coilovers. That's what people do, right? Right? I mean, not only it should handle better, it will look better. Because we're gonna make the wheel gap a bit smaller. Let me show you what it looks like now. Here's the wheel gap in the front. 2 fingers. 3. 3. 2. Here's the wheel gap in the back. Almost 4 sausages. 4 fingers. I'm gonna start with the front. Time to take the wheel off. There we go, wheels off. As you can see, the front right has shot itself. And that made the car really crashy over the bumps. But the coilover should fix the problem. So we need to undo this big bolt. Undone the big bolt. Now we need to pull it out. After you undo the big bolt, you'll need to drop the sway bar a bit so the big bolt can come out. And now there was a problem with that. The bolt snapped. To get the bolt out, we need to drill it. Came up with the idea to use the car jack to pressure the drill against the bolt. My genius is unmatched. Ta-da! Bolt's out. Look at this fucker. Look at it. I'll just use a random bolt and nut to hold the sway bar. And just like that, a half an hour job turned out to be 2-day job. On to the next side, now the rear. So there's one bolt at the bottom of the shock, sway bar link bolt. Then you take this metal cover off in the boot, and 2 bolts here holding the shock. Bada boom, bada boom. Coilovers done. You all ready to see how it looks? Check this out. Well, 2-hour job turned out to be... I don't want to talk about it. Here we go. Look at this beast. Y'all like the fitment? I think... I think the front is perfect. As you can see, it doesn't rub or anything. And the rear is good as well. There are still some threads if we wanted to go lower. Not many, but as you can see, if I zoom in, just tiny bit lower if I wanted to. And let me tell you, it actually handles so good. Literally feels like go-kart. Let's pop the lights. There we go. Check this out. Ooh. Miata. 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 What do y'all think? He obviously needs new wheels, which I'm looking for. Kinda struggling to find any good ones. I was kinda debating if to buy the wheels first or do the coilovers. The front right shock was messed up, so we had to go coilovers. We fixed the problem. I made the car lower, and it now handles like a go-kart. Win-win. Honestly, the more I drive this, the more I love it. It's a really fun car. There's still a few things I need to fix, like this. Some eBay paint will fix it. What do y'all think about the badges? Should I get the badges? Because this one, for some reason, has no badges. The previous owner removed them. Here as well on the back. No badge. No badge. Other than that, it looks lovely. What do you think? Should I go lower in the back? I think I will once I get the wheels. These are 14s. I'll be getting 15 ones. There are some 16s for sale. But I think 16s are way too big. I really think I need to clean this. The Miata kinda looks like TVR. One of the models. If you know what I'm talking about. It really does from this angle. I'll add a picture. Should we take this for a quick test drive? I'll show you how coilovers handle. Few cents on the local racetrack. There we go. Y'all seen the drift? Power! 60! This thing is rapid. Oh! Look at the handling. Go-kart. Street legal, go-kart. These eBay coilovers, you can't complain about. The ride is really comfortable. Takes the bumps like a champ. Holy sh! Woo! That was like 180 degrees corner. If they would let me race in F1, I would win with this thing. Monaco, easy. We got a bit of a uphill. Takes a while in a Miata. Almost there. There we go. Max speeding rods, coilovers for the win. Let's see how long they last though. And I'll see you next time.